What's up guys, Widge the Wiz here. I'm coming back to talk about a topic that I have addressed before in one of my previous videos, but I realized I didn't really get a good review of the actual product that I installed. And the one that I'm talking about right now is the aFe filter that I put on my Audi A4. So today I'm going to start it up. We're going to get a sound check so that we know what it actually sounds like when the car's warm and running, and you guys can decide if you want it for yourself, because I mean, who doesn't love the sound? And then I'll talk about like my personal experience with it a little bit. All right, let's head over to the sound check. Alright guys, so as you just heard, this air filter sounds awesome. Now I've yet to create the air box around it to shroud it from the heat of the turbo, but trust me, that is coming. I have the parts for it, I just haven't had time to make it yet. In terms of reliability and performance, I can't say that I've seen a huge performance increase from this air filter. It does look amazing and sounds great as well. One of the things that I've noticed going down the road is that when you're shifting, you can really hear the blow-off valve now on the turbo, and that's obviously something that you are going to want to consider when looking at this. But in terms of reliability, I haven't had any issues. This is actually the second air filter that I've put on of this type. The first one, because I wasn't running a heat shield, actually started to melt the rubber around it, and so I kind of abused it a little bit in that regard, but I haven't had an issue with this one. And just as a reminder, these are reusable. You can wash them and save money that way, so don't be an idiot like me. Make the air box to protect it the first time, but like I said, I'll be doing that pretty soon. Overall, got to give this air filter 9 out of 10. I think it's an amazing product. You should go get it yourself and make your car sound super cool while you do it. Alright guys, well thanks for tuning in and watching that super short review. Please remember to like and subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll catch you next time.